We are here, as you can see on your screen. It's an Excel screen. It is an application which you can see the screen. You are aware of that. You know that, and it is not a new kind of a screen for you guys. Of course, the people who are watching this for the first time and the people who are seeing the screen, because if we talk about the corporate people, if we talk about the the students who are already using it, it's not a new screen for them, but it is a new kind of application which you can see on a screen. It is one of the oldest and application which is in the market from the Microsoft. As we are aware of Microsoft, it is one of the oldest operating system in the market which you can use to operate laptop and computer. Now they have also used this introduced this Microsoft Office, and the software which I'm sorry, the application which you can use on your screen. I will tell you, I will explain you, and this video will help you to teach, to get the knowledge so that you can use it for your if the students are watching it, if the corporate people are watching it, they can use it, and they can for their work, for their office work, for their personal work. So let us start, and just be with me for around 10 minutes. This video is only for 10 minutes so that we can understand the basic things. Of course, there is so many things, there's so many kind of functions which is available in this application. And before we talk further, here you can see my mouse, this cursor. This is the file menu, home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, view, and help. Okay, so here are the top menus which you can see. And now we are at the home menu, and below that, let us go one by one. It is a cut option. As you can see, it's basically remove the selection and put it on the clipboard so you can paste it somewhere else. Copy option, put a copy of a selection on the clipboard so you can paste it on somewhere else. And there's a paste option, add content on the clipboard to see your document. So you can see there is a control V. This is a shortcut key on your keyboard which you can use. You don't need to, if your mouse is not working, you can press the control plus V simultaneously to paste something from another document to on this screen. Now here the same thing with the cut option, control plus X. So control plus X is also the same option which you can use to cut that particular image or the text from that from another document, and you can paste it on the on this screen also. So the difference between cut, that is basically whenever you are trying to use that command, it basically remove that particular text or image from another document and paste on your on the screen. So if we talk about the copy, there is a control plus C command which you can use, which you can use to copy the content from another document to the Excel document. So control C is will not delete that particular image or the text from another document. The image as well as the particular text will remain on that document, and it makes a copy and paste on this. I'm sorry, and you can use the control V command to paste that particular image or text in the Excel file. Here is the format painter. Format painter is basically used for cells. You can see the description, like the look of a particular selection. You can apply that look to another content in your document. To get started, select the content with the formatting you like. Click format painter. I'm sorry. Select something else to automatically apply the formatting. For your information, to apply the formatting in multiple places, double click format painter. So if we wanted to know more deep in that particular format painter, basically if you want to change a look of that particular cell, here you can see the cell, here is a cell. These this is basically if you talk about this, you can see the alphabet A, and you can see till W. So this is basically columns. Okay, and this is our rows. Okay, so whenever you want to select a column, you need to click on at the top, either on that letter A, or you can click on B, C, D. So you can select that particular column. If you wanted to select the row, you can click on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see this. You can select that. Click on a number. On a click for even select the entire row. Okay, and you can see that whenever I am using that mouse pointer, I'm using a laptop, so I'm using a mouse pointer. Whenever I'm clicking on that particular cell, it will show you that particular number. This is A1. You can see the A column, and you can see the 1, so it's A1. Then if we go down, then A2. If we go down, A3. Then if we go down, A4, A5, A6, A7, A8, A9, A10. So you can see this when you're this particular box, when this mouse pointer is highlighting that particular cell, it shows you that the place on that sheet, this particular cell belongs to that number. Okay, now let us go to the next option, which you can see here. You can see the font is basically the style, the text which you are writing. It's basically, you can change the style. You can, whenever there are so many kind of fonts are available. It's basically helps you to change the text style, change the whenever you're typing, it basically changes that format. And with that, you can see the size of that particular text. You can see it starts from 8 and it can goes up to 72. So now here, after that, you can see if I click on this, you can see that it changes. So if I'm pointing on it, it basically increase that particular font, of whenever you want to change the text font, you need to first select that, and you can change the font size. You can increase it. Now here you can use it to decrease the font size. Okay, now if we go below that, here you can see the bold option, which you can use. You can use Control plus B command. With Control plus B, make your text bold. If you're typing a number, if you're typing any text, you can first select it, and you can select Control B from your keyboard, and you can make it bold. Now let us go. I is basically italic. It's basically convert that particular text, normal text, into the italic style. Now let us go for U. U is for underline. So whenever you want to make an underline, on a particular text or on any number, you can use this underline U option. And here you can see the bottom border. The bottom border, you can whenever you want to make a border on a particular row, on a particular text or a numbers, you can use this option borders. We will definitely teach you. So here, let us go the next step. Here is the fill color. You can use this option to fill the color. Here you can see the changes. Here is the yellow color. Now I'm trying to change it to this color. You can see this. You can see the changes. And here you can see the font color. Whenever you are typing any font, you can select that and you can change the color of that font. So let us go another box. Here you can see the alignment box. Alignment is, let us go the first option. Here is the top alignment. It will basically align the text to the top. It's a middle alignment. Whenever you're typing a text, it basically middle align text, so it is centered between the top and bottom of that cell. Now let us go for the bottom align text to the bottom. Align left, align your content to the left. Center your content. Align right, align your content to the right. Here's the orientation. Rotate your text diagonally. You can rotate the text diagonally and vertically. This is a great way to label narrow columns. Move your content closer to the cell border. Move your content away from the cell border. And you can wrap the text also, like you can see the example here. Microsoft Excel, you can see the Microsoft is at the top and Excel is the bottom below the Microsoft Word. Merge and center. You can also merge combines and center contents of the selected cell into a new larger cell. This is a great way to create a label that spans multiple columns. Thank you so much that you gave me so much time. I'm happy that you are with me, and please stay with me and be with me. I will share you more video videos. Watch this.